everyone to another unboxing and short review, and today in this video I like to share you guys HTC Rechargeable hair trimmer. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. So guys, stay the video. So at first talk about the box content, and as you can see that charging cable, brush and oil and our HTC hair trimmer. Now talk about the build quality, and the hair trimmer totally built with the plastic but its look very premium and nice, and the hair trimmer is totally built with and manufactured in China. Yeah, the build quality is excellent and the performance is also very good. I am using this is still is more than 6 months and it's worked so good. Let's now talk about the performance. Single one-time charging you can get one shaving easily. So if you guys looking for a cheapest hair trimmer rechargeable, I think this is the best one for you. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from Shadat. Allah Hafiz.